want to make sure it's easy for you to submit a quote using our online program, MityQuotes. This short video provides step-by-step instructions. Once you find a product on MityLite.com that you'd like to get a quote on, choose the options you are interested in and click Add to Quote. You'll notice there is a pop-up on the right-hand side. This is where we'll work on our quote. Let's add one more product to our quote. Great, we have our products added. Let's click Build Quote. You can either log into an existing account or create a new account. For this demonstration, we'll be creating a new account. Enter in all your information and click Create Account. Now you have your MityQuotes account set up. A few more questions and we can finish the quote. Choose a requested delivery date and specify if there's a loading dock at this location. And click Review Quote. Please review your information and enter in any special requests for your sales rep. Once you have verified all information is correct, click Submit Quote. Congratulations, your quote has now been submitted. You will receive a confirmation email shortly, and a sales representative will be in touch within 1 business day. You can view your quote request by clicking View Your Requests or clicking the quote link at the top. Click on your quote number. You can review your information and the status of your quote. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have questions, chat with us online or call us at 800-909-8034.